Hey, what is up guys, it's PMHK here obviously, and in today's video I wanted to show you guys the little project I've been testing for it's been around 2 weeks now. Now this guy had mixed feelings about it. That's why it took much longer for me to show it to you guys, because I haven't really figured it out on who this thing is for. But just to go through what this thing has, this thing comes with a USB port. This is if you want to connect your USB and plug in stuff for you to play from. You have your HDMI port. This is also another source, and then you have your power in on the side. At the back you have the 5-volt micro USB connection port. Then you have the 3.5mm jack port, and you have an AV port followed by a micro SD card port. And on top you have the OK button. You have the right side button. This is for when you're navigating the menu, so you can have the right side button, you have the left side button, you have the AV or you have the source select button, and you have the back button. So in terms of the specification of this guy, obviously you are getting a resolution of 320 by 240 pixels. You have a supporting resolution of 1920 by 80 pixel. It's using a TFT LCD technology, and you will be getting a projection size from 24 inches to 60 inches. Now, the reason I really haven't still decided where this guy is best used or who will be using this is because of the projection size. Now the projection size of this guy is 24 by 60 inches, so it's kind of small. So in terms of projection, also distance, you need to have it a bit close to the wall. But apart from that, this guy has a really good quality. As I said, the name of the projector is actually LED projector, and apart from that, I've actually been enjoying it. And as I said, the size is actually quite small. As you guys, let me just for contrast sake compare it to my Apple iPhone 10. Actually, I kind of tend to measure everything to the Apple iPhone 10. So in terms of size, as you guys can see, it's not that far off in terms of sizes. It's almost the size of the iPhone, and in terms of thickness, that's half the iPhone itself. So yeah, this is an LED projector I wanted to share with you guys, and I'm obviously gonna leave the link on the description if I can find an online source that's selling this guy for you guys, maybe to just check it out. But if you're looking for a professional projector or something with very good quality, this is not gonna be it. Obviously, this is for probably just recreative purposes, and if you just want to try it out, a projector maybe in your room or in a small space. I think this also would come really in handy for college students or university students that don't really have a TV, and they can always get this guy and obviously move it around the room, so you don't have to leave it in one location that like you would with a TV. So thank you guys for watching this video. I just wanted to share this guy with you guys. This is an LED projector, and yeah, I will catch you guys on the next video. If you are not already subscribed to the channel, obviously make sure you subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.